Hi everyone, Lynette Janik, aka Lecture with Lynette, and I'm here with the talented and kind-hearted Camila Crispino with C2 Concepts, and she's going to share a few trends and tips with us about interior design and the world of design. So Camila, thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. So I have a few questions for you. One, what's the biggest mistake people make when decorating their home?
Not having a plan. I think that's crucial. Even if you don't want to do the whole project at once, have a plan, have your vision, work it in your budgets, your wants and needs, do it practical, and then if you need to cut this in phases, you do as you go. Do not overwhelm yourself, but it's very important to have a plan and not to go crazy trying to do all at once.
I love that. That's really actually very good advice, I think, in anything.
Yes.
So, which home trend do you secretly wish would disappear forever?
I would say slat panels. I think that we see them doing so much, and all of those, the woods are beautiful, all the natural wood is beautiful, but this whole like trendy slat walls that people are doing without a purpose, I think that we have much better.
You're ready to ditch that
yes.
one. Okay, so. All right, next up, if you had $1,000 to spend in one room, and that's all you could have, what would you splurge on? Where would you put that in?
I would say they have a really decent sized rug. Doesn't matter how big or how small is your room, if you have a really good rug that is rug that is hugging all the furniture, your room automatically looks.
I love it. I think
big, expensive, and
yes, that's a great tip. I love that tip. I think that's one of my favorites so far. What's your favorite design hack that instantly elevates a space?
I would say that abusing natural lights in general. So if you can do this on a weekend, you take all of your light bulbs, all of those cold lights, and you change for warm, so you have task lights, ambience lights. That's something that instantly makes the place expensive.
I love it. I love it. Great tips. And what is your go-to paint color that works every time?
I really think that if you are afraid to use a color, but this color would really speak to you, we need to work around. But to be safe, anything towards the warm hue. So if you want a white, you go towards the warmer shade. Green, you go towards the soothing. And anything that goes to the warm, I think that is something that speaks to our nature.
I love it. And last, what's one room every room should invest in? What everyone should invest in?
I think that family rooms are very important. This is the room that we spend the majority of the time. That will be the least expensive room to make. Or if you're really ready to commit to something, I say that kitchens and bathrooms are really deal makers for resale purpose. It's something that you're gonna do one time. It's expensive renovation, so you do it right and you have some.
You won't be sorry.
Fantastic.
Absolutely. Wonderful. Well, I can't tell you, I thought I've learned so much today from you, from your choices that you helped me pick out here at Interior Collection, but also these were great tips. So thank you so very much for your expert opinion. And guys, remember, if you are looking to remodel or do your space, whether it's commercial, residential, your yacht, seek out an interior designer. It'll save you a lot of headache and time, and you'll love and enjoy the process along the way. Thank you so much. Okay, before we go, last question. I want to learn a little bit about this project I'm looking here.
Oh, this one was a fun project. It was for a bachelor client. He was a young guy moving from another states to Miami, and he wanted a sleek, sexy bachelor apartment. So we played with a lot of curves, reflective surfaces, very interesting lighting, and contrast, black and white. We use a round shaped sofa that is very nice to gather family and friends. Whenever he's entertaining, we mimic the same shape into the rest of the furniture, but this curved sofa is really the central piece of this design.
Tell me a little bit about that chandelier piece, but that's beautiful.
Most of the times people neglect the ceilings. That was a very plain apartment, and we really want to bring the attention up. So we use reflected surfaces, and you can actually pick up all the view from the windows, and it added a very nice architectural elements to the design.